Welcome all you cool crabs and crustaceans. Check out this little bit of snowfall here. Looks kind of pretty on the drive. The roads have cleared up very nicely, but look at the snow that's stuck around in Bridgewater County, Nova Scotia. That's what it's called.
It's
Lunenburg, sorry. The town of Bridgewater in Lunenburg County. Correction. Nice and pretty. If you don't have to shovel it, that is. Or working it or any of that stuff. Just look at it. It's kind of pretty. But just look at it. Just look at it. Look at that crack in the windshield. I was just zooming right in on. Couldn't figure out what it was. Hi. 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 Hello. No, nobody wants to wave on the way to church on a Sunday morning. Hope you all have a lovely day. Smash that thumbs up. Give me a big old subscribe, all you clowns. Drop a comment. Say hello. How much snow do you blow? Have a good one.